Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. So today I'm here in Munich in Germany with my student Dhruvanshu Patel, who is studying in Technical University of Munich. So please tell about that experience, what you had with the previous consultant.
Which I was not happy because the consultants which I consulted previously did not achieve the results which I wanted to. And then I came to know about Amratpal Vision, where I got my dream university, and right now I am sitting at my dream place in my dream city, Munich.
During your previous consulting experience, in how many universities you have applied for?
My previous consultants, we applied for around 15 to 20 universities.
In how many universities you got the admission?
None of them.
So now you tell me about the program you are studying here in TUM. Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. As you know that I am doing a world education tour where I will be traveling 100 plus universities of the world and visiting my students who are studying in different part of the world, and I will be seeing my 100 students who are studying in different part of the world. So today I am here in Munich in Germany with my student Dhruvanshu Patel, who is studying in Technical University of Munich, one of the pioneering institute here in Germany. So today I will ask him to share his experience of studying in TUM and the experience with Amratpal Vision, because he has already wasted 1 year of his important academic year with some other consultant in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, and then he has consulted us, and guess what, we have got him multiple offer letters from German Public University, and right now he is studying in TUM, Technical University of Munich. So Dhruvanshu, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
So today the motive of this video is to make a ground level reality video, because there are many confusions among the students that you cannot get into TUM, you cannot come to Germany in public universities. There are a lot of confusions around.
Exactly.
So you have gone through the same thing in during your 1 year when you was in India and before consulting us. So please tell about that experience, what you had with the previous consultant.
So yes, exactly. As said, like the knowledge of German universities is very limited in India, and people think it's very hard to get into technical universities, and they push you to go for applied sciences, which are not bad. But for me, I was planning to go to technical university because of my grades, and I wanted to study from a pioneer university, which I was not happy because the consultants which I consulted previously did not achieve the results which I wanted to. And then I came to know about Amratpal Vision, where I got my dream university, and right now I am sitting at my dream place in my dream city, Munich. So I'm very happy with the services with you.
Great. So in how many universities you got the admission with the help of Amratpal Vision?
So yes, we applied to 7 universities, and luckily all of 7 universities got me an admit, and it was me choosing the universities which I wanted to go, and it was definitely Technical University of Munich. Why not?
Okay, so during your previous consulting experience, in how many universities you have applied for?
Previously, I was previously with my previous consultants, we applied for around 15 to 20 universities. None of them were technical universities, and they are all applied sciences or Hochschule or something. But yeah, technical universities was none of them. But
in how many universities you got the admission?
None of them. None of them.
So students, it's not always the profile. Many students says, okay, profile hi to hota hai, everything is profile. Consultant has nothing to do with the admission in German public university. But yes, there's the most important thing while applying in German university, like a profile presentation.
Exactly.
Whenever there are students who are applying to German university, they think if they have better grades, they will get into it. But it's not correct. You have to present your profile in a correct manner so that universities can understand what kind of student you are, and then and only then you can get into the public universities of Germany. Because during his 15 application with previous consultant, none of them gave him the admission, but with us 7 universities, 7 admits with him.
Exactly.
So what things were different in Amratpal Vision and your previous consultant?
So the thing is, like, whenever a person like me or a student like me opts for a consulting experience, they are not willing to spend much time on their application and wants their consultant to take care of everything, which was really nice with Amratpal Vision, because I was just there and we made a profile selection of myself, and they asked me like what kind of universities you want and what courses do you like to go. And then all the ground research work was done by the team itself. Instead, in my previous consultants, they were like pushing me to do the research, tell me how to apply, and I was the one giving them the documents, and they were not asking me for any single documents and how to write SOPs and everything. But here in Amratpal Vision, you guys know the process, how to present the file, and that's what a person looks when you're paying someone. Then you expect them to do the service and not follow up each and other moment, but they will follow up with you whenever a document is required, and whatever is needed can be done right now.
Great. So now you tell me about the program you are studying here in TUM.
So here in TUM, I'm studying Masters in Management. This course is specially designed for engineering students or the students who are not having any management background. So students like me, as in I am a mechanical engineer by bachelor's. So students from engineering background, life sciences background can opt for this course, and it's really emerging course right now from TUM, and it's really a nice course.
Okay, so as we are discussing off camera that right now they have introduced GMAT in their selection criteria.
Exactly.
But when he came, there were no GRE or GMAT requirement from the university. But right now, if you want to apply in the same course, which is most famous course here in TUM amongst the international student, which is a Masters in Management, MIM, here in TUM. Right now, they require GMAT scores. Okay, so Dhruvanshu, tell me about the course like Masters in Management. Why you have opted for this course?
So the reason behind opting for this course is like after doing my bachelor's, I did mechanical engineering as said previously. So I didn't want to continue doing technical stuff in future, and I wanted to run a business at some point of time. So I decided to gain some management knowledge about it, and the course which I am studying right now, which is Masters in Management, gives me the same opportunity because we study subjects like finance and accounting, cost accounting, or maybe entrepreneurship, innovation, marketing, sales, and everything. So you get to know each aspect of the business from the base, and that's what makes me happy to know all aspects of the business. As an entrepreneur, I need to know all aspects of the business whenever I'm going into my own startup.
Great. So we have already made one video when Dhruvanshu was in India in our office. So I'm putting that link below in the description so that you can also watch that video. And yes, right now I will ask him to tell about the important tips what he wanted to give to the future students who would like to come to Germany. So guide our students, like you are living here in Munich, right? So I want you to give students the advice what they don't know before they come here in Germany.
Okay, so before coming to Germany, I think the most important thing is start learning the language right away. Whenever you make a decision that you want to move to Germany, any part of Germany, just start learning the language right away because that helps a lot. And try to be more independent whenever you are in India, because once you move to a different country, there won't be anyone to support you at your each and every step. Like as in at your home country, your parents would be there, you just call up your father and the thing would be done. But it's not the case in here. You need to go out, you need to contact people, you need to make a conversation. So be fluent, go out to people, talk more often, and build your profile more strong so you won't be struggling in a new country. And then, maybe just start preparing for your documents and everything.
Yeah, great. So right now we were talking about the buddy services, what we can give you or what we can offer you. So there are, as you are watching my whole world tour, there are students in almost all the German public universities who came through Amratpal Vision. So right now we are starting the buddy services. So whenever any student come to Germany, especially in Munich or Ingolstadt, anywhere in Germany, you can always contact us, Amratpal Vision. We have several students who are studying in your field, right? So that they can become your buddy. So yes, Dhruvanshu was expressing his feeling to be a buddy of the students who would be coming to Germany in their next intake or till he is here in Munich. So we will be really very happy to offer you such services like buddy service. So you can come here, contact Dhruvanshu, and he will be happy to help you if you are coming in a management field. In other courses also, we have the mentors, we have the buddies like Ashik Shahjahan. To him, I will be interviewing next. So yes, you can be always in contact with Amratpal Vision till you complete your bachelor's or till you get your German citizenship here in Germany. And today we have also given them a good news that we are partnering with one of the biggest recruiting firm of Germany, so that they can do their internship with the help of Amratpal Vision. They can do master thesis. They can look for the permanent job once they complete their studies here in Germany. So students, what you are waiting for? Subscribe my channel, that is Amratpal Vision, where you can get the best content related to a foreign education, and you can see the content related to different universities of the world. And we are the first company, I am the first mentor who traveled almost 100 plus universities of the world. I was in US, Canada, UK, Scotland and Germany, and now I will be going to Australia and New Zealand just to show you how all countries work, how all students learn in different parts of the world. See you soon here in Germany. Thank you again, Dhruvanshu.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye-bye.